Well, I'm back with the tube with CottonBeltSD4OT. I'm still back, but I'm still driving to my grandma to go. So there can be one of these buildings open or something. Worsening. No offense. If we're doing building 61 open, hey. So you will not order me while I'm driving. Suspected. Building 63 is a man, I could not understand. You need to see me act stupid. Who can leave this building open? Don't me, you piece of bullshit. Come right now. Now. Now in the building 63 and into the next lift is really nice shit that it is. Definitely. Colleen.